Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to activate the low power mode with a focus on your iPhone. Focus mode allows you to set out different permissions for apps, contacts, and more depending on what you are doing. What's more, you can even use it to activate the low power mode on your iPhone when a specific focus is enabled. Well, this is a pretty neat way to extend the battery life of your device. That said, let's get started. So first and foremost, you have to launch the settings app on your iPhone. After that, select focus. And then you have to choose the focus mode that you want the low power mode to be enabled by. Then you have to scroll down and under focus filters, tap add filter. And under system filters, tap the low power mode card. Then you have to make sure the switch is toggled on next to the low power mode. And then you have to hit the add button. And that's about it. The low power mode will now be automatically activated the next time you enable the focus mode on your iPhone. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it to bolster the battery life on your iPhone. And I'll catch you up in the next one.